Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best electric winches for trucks in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best electric winches for trucks that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the ORCISH 12 volts waterproof electric 3500 lbs winch. This product offers a load capacity of 3,500 pounds and is equipped with a PM 12 volts motor. Color-coordinated wires and their connections make installation easy. This product included all the essential accessories. The remote is vulnerable and works fine. With this kit, you are prepared for every situation. Buy it today and you won't be disappointed. This also has an on and off mechanism for positive charges. You get a 3-stage planetary geared winch, automatic load-holding brake, overrunning clutch, and overload protection switch. You'll also like to know that it has a dual remote control system. The winch also comes with a range of accessories, including mounting plates, pulley blocks, and a roller fairlead. This shows the versatility of this product and allows it to be used for a wide range of applications. In short, the ORCISH truck winch is the perfect choice for anyone who needs a reliable and powerful electric winch for their truck. Moving on, at number 4, we have the OXO Good Grips Multiple Cherry Pitter. Gripped cherry pitters can be hard for some to operate and often cause a mess for kids, which is why we like this pitter. It operates like a wide stapler. You compress the top to pit up to 6 cherries at a time, and the pits deposit into a removable receptacle for mess-free, easy collection. The visual and written instructions clearly explain how to operate this, and we appreciated the stable, expandable base that easily fits any bowl. The dowels cleanly pitted cherries every time we place sticks inside, and even when placed askew and off-kilter. We did have to remove the pitted cherries manually from the dowels, but reasoned that the quantity it processes makes up for the time it takes to collect them. We also found the pit chamber adequately contained juice and pits, but had to be emptied after each plunge. In another round of trials, we tested 2 loads of 6 Castelvetrano olives with mixed results. Half of each test released the pits, but the flesh was mangled on a few. We successfully pitted a round of 6 Kalamata olives with ease and no marring of flesh. Throughout both types of testing, the pitter remained secure on the bowl, no matter how much pressure we applied. When finished testing, it easily came apart to place in the dishwasher, and it folded up into a slim rectangle that fit in the gadget drawer right next to the mandolin. The compact design belies the incredible efficiency of this model. At number 3, we have the Champion 10,000-LB Remote Control Winch Kit. Champion is a well-known brand that supplies its customers with high-quality home appliances and has a great name in the market. The easy-to-use kit is perfect for you and will save you from any situation. With a 10,000-pound lift capacity, it tows and tows your vehicle with ease and without hassle. Kit includes a winch, wireless remote control, on/off mini rocker switch, roller fairlead, and universal conduit. It typically offers the advantage of being able to control the winch from a safe distance of about 80 feet. Then all you have to do is press the control button on the wireless remote, and the winch will lift your vehicle as needed. The Champion Winch Kit was developed for the high demands of off-road use and is built to last. It is made of high-quality durable material to make a good choice for buyers looking for an electric winch for their truck. Whether you use it for work or play, the Champion Winch Kit gets the job done. At number 2, we have the Smittybilt Gen 2 XRC Remote Switch 9,500 pounds winch. Smittybilt is the best truck winch I've found if you want a quality product at a fair price. It is one of the most used and popular winch models among off-road drivers. Depending on your preference, you can choose a payload towing capacity of up to 9,500 pounds, which is more than enough to tow the heaviest trucks. It features a state-of-the-art magnet with an IP67 rating. This means you can take it to the river, on ice, in the mud, or on earth without sacrificing performance. In addition, it has a 3-stage planetary gearbox and a super-fast 6.6 HP motor. Impregnation is also excellent in storms and muddy situations, but it is not recommended to submerge it. Compared to other winches with similar or sometimes even lower performance, it is not that expensive. With its wireless remote control, the Smittybilt X20 makes it easy to operate your winch from a distance, and its 1-year warranty ensures you're getting the best performance from your winch. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZESUPER 12 volts 13,000 pound waterproof electric truck winch kit. ZESUPER is a powerful electric winch that makes your transport tasks easier and more efficient. It has a 12 volts battery, a strong steel cable, and a powerful motor for maximum pulling power. For example, it is equipped with a 500 amp solenoid valve housed in a weather and water-resistant control box. If you are looking for a labor-saving tool and any type of manual work in extreme situations, then this is the best electric winch kit for you. As the perfect companion for your activities, the device is equipped with a 3-stage gear. The winch features an indicator light to show the working status of the winch and a safety lock to ensure safety. This winch is designed for use with most new and old trucks. It can tow up to 13,000 pounds, making it a great tow and haul option. The winch is also equipped with a handy remote control for easy operation. Please note that once you press the button on the remote, this device will respond within a second or two.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.